If a stem is shown while discussing the stem, you should talk about the shape. It is straight or curved, tapered or blunt, surface smooth or rough, modular or monoblock, collar or collarless, neck and more taper, reunion, and offset. When talking about stem design, cemented or uncemented stem, press fed or line to line. Regarding cemented stem, there are two types of stems. One is Exeter stem, and second is on Charnley Stanmore principle. So basically, we start from the head. We talk about whether head is modular or monoblock. So basically, Charnley is a monoblock and Exeter is a modular. Then the shape. Regarding the shape, Charnley is a single taper, while Exeter is double taper or a triple taper as per C-stem. Then surface. Charnley surface is rough, matte finished, and Exeter surface is highly polished. Then the taper. The tip, tapered or blunt. So Charnley is shape closed composite beam design, while Exeter is force close taper slip design. Then regarding collar, Charnley is a collared while the Exeter is not collared. Then regarding failure, Charnley fails due to debonding or movement between interfaces, while the Exeter fails due to rotation in axial plane. Then force transfers. Charnley transfers the force at cement bone interface, while Exeter gives force at stem cement interface. Regarding the principle, Charnley is a composite shape closed beam, while Exeter is a force closed beam. The head size in Charnley is 22.25 millimeter. So these are the differences between Charnley versus Exeter principle.